Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I saw this adorable cat tote bag on Amazon and immediately thought, yes, this needs to be in my life. And from the minute it arrived on, there has not been a moment of disappointment. This cat tote bag from Bositigo is fun, whimsical, and definitely a conversation starter. I love how easy it is to carry around. It's lightweight and fits nicely on my shoulder. It's made out of a nice material that's perfect for the pool and for using as a grocery bag. I also love how large it is. I can fit everything I need for a pool day in one bag, even snacks, goggles, my tablet, my book, and even some beach towels, and there's a section for my cell phone. This is very well made. The stitching is strong and durable throughout the bag. The handles are strong, and I know that this is going to last me for years to come, despite the abuse that I put it through. I am in love with these adorable cat faces and their glasses. You've got some angry cats on here as well as some cute and cuddly ones, and the glasses and bow ties just make it unique and fun. So if you're looking for a bag that's going to make you smile for years to come, then you're going to love this one. And that's my point of view.